Fast talk. Timer starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Mario.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Controller.
Dream game night guess.
Ludwig.
First video game you owned?
First video game, I'll just say Tekken 3.
Who's your favorite streamer?
Favorite streamer is Lol Tyler 1.
What's
Oh,
your most played game?
still talks. Most played game, Tekken.
What's a game you truly suck at?
Truly suck at Dota.
What's your go-to snack when playing?
Go-to snack is alcohol a snack.
Okay.
I drink
Let's
when I
consider
play.
that. Okay. In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
In 2022, I will achieve lots of new friends.
Through live streaming. Nice.